Let's just say, for the sake of this video, that you started with a totally brand new blank screen. Reclamation and taking the image out is a whole different step. Say we start with a blank brand new screen. This is a nice 230 mesh, so this is pretty fine. This is smooth. I put this on just a second ago. In my other video I showed you how to put these eco frames together.
Put this into a degreaser bag.
I got two screens I want to coat, want to get back up and running. So I'm going to show you using a scoop coater and our photosensitive emulsion. So I'm working in somewhat of a dark room. You can tell by the lighting, things aren't as great. I'm using a bug light, which is just kind of a yellow regular light bulb. You always want to work with all your photosensitive, light sensitive stuff in a dark room, because it can go and affect your screens in the long run. This is what we call a scoop coater, a little trough, and it has two sides. Two sides. It has a rounded, wider edge and more of a fine, sharper edge. Depending on the application and the different meshes that you're going to be working with, these sides are important. Anything, say, 100 mesh and up, you're going to want to use your sharp side, your finer side. Anything 100 mesh and lower, like 50 to 80 mesh, which are very wide open holes, open parts of your screen, you want that wider rounded edge to get more emulsion to adhere to your screen. Today we're using base layer, complete emulsion system. This is a great emulsion for all varieties of screen printing inks. Now you have very basic divisions of ink. You have water-based and eco-friendly type stuff, which is primarily what we use. Then you also have your line of plastisol, which are rubberized or oil kind of based inks. And then you have your solvent-based inks, which are somewhat caustic. This works for all of them. Now that we've coated our screens, we want to make sure that they dry nice and evenly and properly. So I'm improvising a little bit. I'm using my press, but I'm keeping these very flat. These are going to take about a few hours, 3 to 4 hours to dry. Now I've printed the film. I've gotten things all ready and registered the way I need them. Now all we need to do is expose them, and I'll show you how I do that. It's pretty primitive, it's DIY, but that's the whole point. We're doing this on a budget, and it's a very simple setup. You can do it your own. We're gonna do what we call expose or burn the screen. We subject it to a light source that in a perfect world is vacuumed and sealed.